Stitch the placement lines so you know where to lay your fabric. Lay down the middle and top pieces of fabric, being mindful of the direction of the nap. Flip the top piece of fabric out of the way and repeat that step with the bottom piece of fabric. Flip the bottom piece of fabric out of the way. Then, lay down a piece of soluble stabilizer and embroider the face. Stitch the placement line for the keychain ribbon, then place the ribbon down and tack it down. Stitch the basting stitch, then pull up the fabric on the right side and flip it over the left using the basting stitch as the center. Stitch around the outside. Remove the stabilizer from the fabric. Cut around the outside, leaving a little area for you to flip it right side out and to close it with a ladder stitch. Flip it right side out, stuff it, and close with a ladder stitch. A pair of forceps are really helpful here. You're all done! Happy Halloween!